Hey guys, this is Lane with Stillwater Armory. Today we're going to be going over a few comparisons of various 22 suppressors and 30 caliber suppressors to normal everyday things that you hear, just so you can kind of get a know-how and comparison of what they actually sound like in the actual decibel levels. Hey guys, this is Connor. He's going to be comparing that 1911 Spring airsoft gun to my 2245 Light with a 100-ton Arms Guardian 22 suppressor. So go ahead, Connor. Not a whole lot of difference from our perspective. You can tell a difference in the tone, but the actual sound level is very close. Shooting the 6-hour Mosquito with the Gemtech Outback and some Remington Subsonics at some pop cans.
I'm now shooting a BB gun. This time I'll be shooting a Ruger 1022 unsuppressed, and I'll be shooting the Ruger American Bolt Action suppressed so you can hear them side by side.
So this next comparison, after you guys have heard what the 22 suppressed sounds like, we're going to be shooting the Subsonic 22 suppressed side by side with the 300 Blackout Subsonic suppressed as well. Alright, so this is a downrange point of view of the 300 Blackout suppressed versus the 22 Subsonic suppressed.